In this video, we'll show you how to change the sway bar end links on your Ram 1500. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely. The end link connects the sway bar to the lower control arms to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a 19mm offset wrench, unscrew the nut from the lower ball joint. Restrict the rotation of the ball joint using adjustable pliers. Finish unscrewing by hand. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a 21mm wrench, unscrew the nut on the upper ball joint. Restrict the rotation of the ball joint using a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Finish unscrewing the nut. You can now remove the link. You can order the sway bar end link used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new link and unscrew the nuts supplied with it. Install it in the lower control arm, then in the sway bar. Using a 19mm offset wrench, screw the nut of the lower ball joint of the sway bar end link back on. Restrict the rotation of the ball joint using adjustable pliers. Screw the upper nut back on until it makes contact using an 18mm wrench. Use a ratchet and an 8mm socket to keep the ball joint from rotating. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.